Okay everyone, so this is 8K on the Poco F2 Pro and the LG V60 ThinQ. What do y'all think about it? How do I sound? Yes, I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth. I'm at this park out here, kids out here. Yes, they're looking for turtles and fish and frogs. But y'all let me know. Hopefully this video comes out good and we can pick a winner. I might release this video before I release the full comparison, or I might release it after. I don't know. Most of the time I just film stuff for videos and then put them together, and in whatever order they come in, that's the order I usually do it. It's just whatever comes to mind. But it takes a couple days to do these comparisons, so but this video won't be long, because both files take up a lot of space, and you know, I don't want to make it too long. If the video gets too long, then it takes a long time to render. It's harder to put together, so the 8K video will be short. But y'all let me know, how does everything sound? How does everything look? How does everything just compare with each other? Let me know in the comments who you pick as a winner. Also, I'm just holding each phone, just walking around. So y'all let me know which one is the winner. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Forbes Reviews on Twitter, and subscribe to the channel if you're not. And until next video, peace. I'm out of here.